Hi lovelies, let me quickly show you how to make a perfect delicious Nigerian popular snacks called fish roll. This is super perfect for your lunchbox, for your breakfast, and it's super easy to prepare. Let's prepare it together. That's the well-washed mackerel fish I'll be using. I'm going to add salt into it. I'll add seasoning, and of course I'll add diced onion into it, and I'm going to add water. I'll cover it and bring it to a boil. Voila, the fish is done. It doesn't take time at all. So I'm just going to take it out of the stock and I will leave it and allow it to cool down completely. We'll come back to it. Let me quickly show you what I have here. I have sugar, I have salt, butter, baking powder, egg, and the all-purpose flour we are using for baking it. I'm just going to pour everything at a time now into this. I'll be adding the egg later, but all this I'm going to mix them together with my hand. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my followers. Thank you so much to newcomers. You're also welcome. Please remember to join us. Returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much for loving my videos. So guys, into this I'm going to add the egg and I'll just mix them together with my hand like this. Please check the description box or the comment section. You will find the measurements there. And I added water gradually into it, and then I mixed everything together. Lovelies, mix them together. You don't need to overwork your dough, all right? But let them be well combined, and then fold it together like this and leave it for later use. Back to the fish. I allow the fish to cool down completely, and now it's time to debone it. All right, make sure that you removed all the bone. It's also very necessary. I removed them and I shredded the fish. In a pot, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil. I added diced onion. I'm going to saute, and after that I added a shredded mackerel fish into it. I added some habanero pepper diced. I want it a little bit spicy, and I'm going to add seasoning and a bit of salt. So I'm just going to mix them together for about 2 to 5 minutes. Not that much, it is cooked already. The aroma is super, so I transferred it into another bowl to cool down a bit. Now let's roll out the dough. So I flour the work surface, and I'm going to be cutting this little by little. It depends on how big you want the fish roll to be. I want a middle size, not so big, okay? So I'm just going to roll this out and fill it up with the fish, not too much, and I'm just going to roll them together now and turn it to real fish roll. So lovely. After rolling it like this, the tip, you can just use a little bit of water at the edge, at the closure like this, so that it will be very closed. Okay, this is how it will be, and this is how I rolled everything. So that's the vegetable oil I'll be using for deep frying it. I heat it up a bit and I start frying it. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up. Remember to share, leave a comment. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to be using the spoon of fork to turn it around, move it from left to right to left until everything is golden brown like this. So I'm just going to take it out of the oil and I'll transfer it on a kitchen towel for the excess oil to be taken out of it. And you can serve this with tea, with coffee, for school time or work lunch. You love it.